Hi, in this video I want to share with you tips on how to take better photographs on your cell phone, and these are things that I use myself almost every time I take a picture with my cell phone. And to show you that you can take good photographs with your cell phone, here is one for example of this puppy that used to live at my grandparents'. Now it may not be a great photograph, but it's pretty good for a cell phone. And this is, by the way, a low-end model, 2015 Motorola. I think a Motorola 3G was the model. All of these are taken, by the way, with the same phone. And for those of you who don't know, I'm showcasing this on a program called GIMP. It's a free photo editing program. I have a lot of tutorials on it in my channel. Now let's see other photographs taken with the same phone. This one, for example, is of a rose bloom. This is another rose bloom here. And this one is one of my favorites. You can see, I'm not sure what this flower is, but it looks pretty great. Okay, so let's go to the first tip. And this one is shake it. It may sound a little stupid, but this means that you need to just get the phone out of focus before you take the shot and then get it to focus again. I usually do this by tilting the phone forward and backwards really fast. This will get it to go out of focus and then to focus again on the object that I'm trying to shoot. Because sometimes when you slowly bring the phone close to the object, it's not going to refocus. So this way I'm just forcing it to refocus on the object that I'm trying to shoot. And it works great. It doesn't work every time. Sometimes the phone just won't focus on the object no matter what you try and do. It really depends on the light, on the colors, of a lot of things, but this is one way to get it to focus on the subject you're trying to shoot. Now let's see what the second tip is, and this is light. Now I'm going to show you two pictures here. This is a sort of a landscape photograph, again taken with the same phone. This is another one. Both I think look pretty good for a phone, and you can see both skies are kind of partially sunny. It's not entirely sunny or entirely cloudy, which I think is the best conditions to take photographs with a cell phone. If it's very cloudy, very dark, it's not a good thing. Light is a very big problem for cell phones, but also direct sunlight may not be great for them as well. Here, for example, this flower, you can notice that it has raindrops on it because it recently rained, and I remember this very well. It rained and then it started to clear, and you can see here that there isn't a direct sunlight yet, but it was starting to clear and there was good enough light for me to take this shot. So you really need to experiment with the light. You need to wait for the best light for your subject. You need to experiment with this, because after all we have only our cell phone. We don't have any expensive equipment to control the environment. Now let's go to the third tip, and this one is also very important. Take multiple shots and don't trust your phone screen. Now here is the image I took with my phone. I actually took 5 or 6 photographs of the same thing. These bricks with these moss on them, they look pretty cool. I wanted to take some pictures of them, and I thought I have them. I thought I had good shots, but when I came home, exported them on my PC, they all look pretty bad. And even though I took multiple pictures of them. So sometimes you can trust your phone screen, it will lie to you. You need to look at it at a bigger screen. It could be a desktop, it could be a laptop, it could be some kind of an iPad with a bigger screen, so you can see what is actually going on there. But in this case I failed taking multiple shots. But here, for example, I'll give you another example. Here is this flower. You can see how blurry it is. You can see here a little bit better, and the third one a lot better. If I quickly move to one and to the other, you can see that this one is just much better. It's still a pretty bad photograph. I just don't have, I've deleted most of my shots that I can showcase this, where you can see the difference when you take multiple shots. So this is the best one I have. So you can see how taking multiple shots can actually result in you getting that shot that you're looking for. Sometimes it happens from the first shot, sometimes it will not happen at all, but at least by taking multiple shots at it, you get a better chance of getting that good photograph. So I hope these tips were useful. If they were, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, visit my channel. That's it for this one. Bye for now.